Hey guys, Calvin here from Preservation Place. I've recently learned a very, very good way to clean up oil spills, and I thought I'd share that with you guys today, because it certainly saved me a whole lot of hassle. And that secret is cat litter, and it doesn't matter what kind. You'll want to go with, unscented, obviously, and just whatever's cheapest. I'll do a little demonstration for you. So say you got a bunch of oil like that. That's, something I could wipe up with a paper towel, but there'd be streaks and all that. So what we're gonna do is dump a little cat litter on there, and it'll soak it right up. See? Now all you have to do is take a shop towel and just wipe it. Boom. And you can do the same thing if it's a bigger spill on the floor or something like that. That was my problem. I spilled a whole bunch of oil right out of my machine, out of my vacuum pump on the floor, and I couldn't sweep it up, I couldn't mop it up. It was just everywhere. And so this is definitely a lifesaver in those situations. I suggest it highly. And that wraps us up for today, but tune in tomorrow and I'll have another video for you.